Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back from Disney, which is kind of amazing. It was great. I'm gonna make different videos on it and all that good stuff. So those will be coming because anytime I get to talk about Disney, well, I'm gonna do it because I love it. I love Disney World. Oh my gosh. Yes, but today we are doing an unboxing. So I purchased a purse for Disney World, but it didn't come in time, which kind of sucked, but kind of didn't, which I'll tell you about on my Disney videos. We are talking about the FURLA Metropolis Mini Crossbody bag in Celeste. I wanted a small bag to go with my sundresses while I was at Disney World to put in, like lipstick, my makeup compact, my YSL compact that I bought specifically to use at Disney. I didn't use it because I didn't have a purse. No, I didn't buy another purse, but everything worked out well anyway. But yes, I purchased this purse to go to Disney with, but that's okay. I'm still going to enjoy it. I have not looked inside yet or anything of that nature. It says FURLA, and I got it in Celeste, which, I thought it looks a lot brighter on the online. So I thought it was going to be this bright kind of blue, but it's kind of a sky blue instead of I thought it was going to be like a turquoise. That's what well, not that light, but yeah, it just looks lighter on the website. And it's pretty though. Oh, it's pretty. So before I actually take everything out, let's see what it says. It is the padlock of the iconic FURLA Metropolis mini bag. The iconic, in textured leather, is decorative yet functional. One practical open pocket is available on the inside. This women's bag can be carried as a crossbody bag or as a shoulder bag, thanks to its removable shoulder strap and metal chain. So it's light gold and it's tone on tone. Yeah, I wish it was silver because it would have went with my silver hardware on my Birkenstocks, but that's just being a little, extra. But I knew it was gold and I still liked it. I loved it. I thought it was really cute. So let's open it. The leather is nice. It's not soft. It's supposed to be structured. This is so cute. No, I'm still going to wear this, guys. Let's just be clear. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, it has some stuff in here that says FURLA. Okay, some instructions. Let's see. Okay. And it comes with the chain. I thought it was supposed to come with something that I think this locks. So maybe I just didn't see it in the bag, and I'll put down there to let you guys know if it does come with something that locks it. Oh, that's cute. And oh, that is really cute. Oh, I like that. And the chain, oh, it's long enough. It's definitely long enough on me, so that's good. Crossbody. Doing all this while you guys are here. Yeah, it hits me at the hip. Or, yeah, it hits me at the hip, the waist. This is cute. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, and it has the bottom feet so that when you set it down, it's not messing up. Oh, that is pretty, guys. Oh, and I can take these off inside. So there's these, so this right here, you can wear it as a clutch. You can take it off. Oh, very nice. Okay, that's easy. It's very easy. But I think this is really classy. I like that. I like that a lot. I keep doing it, I know. It's kind of small inside, but it'll fit all of my stuff, which is kind of great. Let me see what I can fit in there. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I went to go get some stuff to see what fits in here. Let's see. Phone. Does that fit? It fits. Yep. YSL compact. It fits. You guys know I've been into these KKW lipsticks. I've been going back. That's all I wore at Disney. I love them. Both of them fit. I like my lotion, my hand lotion. Let's see if this fits. Oh, that fits on top. See, I got my husband's wallet. See if that fits. Oh, let's see if it fits in this little. No, that won't fit in there. Let's see. Oh, that fits. Keys. Keys fit. Extra compact. Extra compact fits. Okay, and if I want this in there, I can just put it on top if I so choose to. And let's see it close. Does it close? Or am I, okay. Let's take the lotion out, see if it closes. No, so let's see what is impeding it. It's probably my husband's wallet. His wallet is too big. He has too much stuff in there. If I take the wallet out, put the lotion back in. Oh, is it scraped? Scraped? Oh, it's not scraped. Okay. I'm like, did I scrape it already? And let's see if I can close it. Yeah. Okay. So the thick wallet was taking up too much space. But yeah, it fits quite a bit. Quite a bit. I love it. Oh my gosh. Really excited about this purse. I'm so wearing this as soon as possible. Okay, well guys, let me go ahead and show this to you how long it actually gets. So I'll put it on. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this first impression of this FURLA Metropolis. Yeah, Metropolis mini bag. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I am loving it right now. And yeah, I'll put, you know, everything down in the description below where you can buy it, all that stuff. But yeah, I really like the bag. I kind of wish I had it for Disney, but that's okay. I'm still gonna wear it and get lots of use out of it. And I love the color too. It's not as bright as I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. You know, you normally going for a bright color when you're going on vacation. You know, something you normally wouldn't wear. And I normally wouldn't buy a blue purse. So yeah, I'll wear it on another vacation too. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you next time and see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, this is cute. I wonder if there was a lock come with it or something.